Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Chloe Moomiller, a rejected smiling critter from Poppy Playtime. So first we're going to get started with our nose over in the middle, and we're going to curve this line around and then in. And then starting back in that corner, we're going to curve this line back, around, and then in, blending that together. On both sides now for the nostrils, we're just going to draw in a curved diagonal line that arches out. For the eye on the bottom, we're going to curve this line up on both sides, extending this further out on the left. On the inside on the right hand side, we're going to curve this line around and then down. And then on the left hand side, again, we're just going to curve this line back around and then in the corner. In the center now, we're just going to draw in an oval. Now from here for the horns up above, we're going to draw in a curved line on the right as well as on the left. On the inside, we're going to arch this line up and then down on the right. And then we'll do the same thing over on the left-hand side. Now in the middle, we're going to curve this line down on both sides. Now for the ear on the left, we're going to curve this line up, down, and then out. And then from that corner, we're just going to curve this line back in towards the top. Now on the left-hand side, again, on the inside, we're going to curve this line up, down, and then out, replicating the pattern. And then on the bottom from that corner, we're just going to curve this line back around and in. Let's come down and leave a gap, drawing in the left arm, covering the face first. So we're going to arch this line in. On the top, we're going to curve this line over. And then from here, again, we're just going to curve this line down. Let's draw on the cheek behind this now. So we're going to curve this line around and then in, and then we'll draw on a straight line that comes up. To the right of this now for our right cheek, we're going to curve this line around and then in towards the middle. And then closing off the side of the head on the top, we're going to arch this line back in. And then now on the bottom, we're going to continue to curve this line back around and then up. Let's draw the mouth now. So on both corners, we're just going to arch this line down. And then closing off the top of the mouth, we're going to curve this line in. For the bottom of the mouth now, we're going to arch this line down on the left. And then coming all the way underneath, we're going to arch this line around and then up on the right. For the tongue, we're going to curve this line down on the left and then again on the right. For the right ear now, we're going to curve this line up, down, and then out. And then from that point, we're just going to curve this line back in. On the right-hand side now above our right eye, we're going to curve that line up. Let's draw on the torso on the left-hand side. So we're going to curve this line in towards the middle. And then we're going to close this arm off on the left by arching this line in towards the side. And then let's close off our wrist by curving that over. Drawing in the right arm, we're going to curve this line around and then out. On the top, we're going to curve this line down. Again, starting back on this line, bringing that out on a diagonal. And then we're going to close this off with a curved line from top to bottom. And then we'll do the same thing as we move up. Now on the inside, we're going to curve this line in. And then we're going to draw in a curved diagonal line that comes out. In the middle, we're going to curve this line all the way around and then back down. And then we're going to draw in another curved line from left to right. Let's move up, drawing in a curved line from left to right. On the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line down, closing off the left leg. And then we're going to arch this line in. And then we'll replicate that again one more time on the top. In the middle for the bell now, we're going to arch this line around and then down on the right. And then up above, we're going to curve this line from left to right. Now on both sides, we're just going to curve this line out, around, and then in. And then closing this off in the middle with a curved line from left to right. Underneath, we'll draw in a small arch line. And then closing off the necklace, we're just going to draw in a diagonal line that comes out on both sides. On the right for the pattern, we're going to curve this line in. And then arching that line back, around, and then up again. On the top, we're going to curve this line in and then back out towards our bell. Underneath, we're going to curve this line in. And then from that corner, we're just going to arch this line back around and then down. Let's draw on the tail now. So on the top, we're going to curve this line out towards the right. We'll do the same thing on the bottom. And then on the top, we're just going to curve this line down. Behind this, we're going to curve this line out, in, and then back up. And then from that point, we're going to curve this line around and then in on the bottom. And that is it. That's how you draw Chloe Moomiller, a rejected smiling critter from Poppy Playtime. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.